What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to this new video on Shiba Inu. I wanted to make an update on that. Technically not a lot has happened with Shiba Inu, but it's been a while since I covered it. I know that a lot of, there's still a huge community around Shiba Inu, perhaps the biggest meme coin community out there. If I still may call it a meme coin, I don't mean it in any bad way, but still wanted to make an update on that. Wanted to tell you what I'm thinking, tell you about the market right now, and what to expect next week. Next week is quite a big week for crypto in general, so that might also have some effects on Shiba. So that's what we'll do in this video. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find the instructions on how to join. Now onto Shiba. So the thing is, I mean, purely in technicals, it's not looking great, but it's also not looking that bad. We were obviously all the way up until like the 19th of April, which it seems not that long ago, but it's already 11 days ago. Up until that date, we were still bullish. There was some sort of an uptrend, even though we had a lot of consolidation and a lot of sideways movement within that uptrend. We were still trending up, but with that bearish breakout right here off of that level between 1080 and 1070, we gave that up and we became, I wouldn't say bearish, because if you zoom out right now, for example, to the daily time frame, you can just see that we're consolidating. We're in this range between ultimately 1000, which is always what I name the prices as, and then the stop right here around 1170. That's just the range we've been in. And then the biggest question is, obviously, I mean, we are still, I would say, in a bear market, even though we are in a little bit more of a sunny part of it. But then the big question is will we actually be able to hold that range? Because that would mean that right now we are actually at a fairly good point to buy, because we're at the lowest end of the range. We have been holding that level, especially like 1010. We have been holding that fairly well as a support. So that's the big question. Can we go up from here? There's a lot of resistance around 1050. There's resistance basically all the way from 1070 and 1080. So it's going to be very, very hard to get back up to the top of the consolidation. However, I do think we can expect bullish momentum from here. First of all, because I do not, first of all, because Shiba Inu is relatively strong. We're holding this level fairly well, right? So that's at least one criteria. Even with that bearish pressure that we got last Wednesday, we still did not break down below 1010, and there's more support under here. So I think we'll be able to hold that. Technically, it looks sound. And then fundamentally, I also expect some more bullish momentum coming from the markets. So coming from Bitcoin, especially in the next week with the interest rate coming up. And Shiba Inu historically does not react that much to Bitcoin's movements, but it does react to it. All right, it's Shiba. If there's no news about Shiba Inu specifically, what it tends to do is move along with Dogecoin and with Bitcoin. So I do think that, we might need to drop down to that 990 level, but I do think that we will be able to slowly trend up towards 1050 and up to 1070, 1080. Now, because that level around 1080 and 1070 with the 0.618 FIB, 0.5 FIB, 200 EMA, because that's such a strong resistance level, from there we'll have to see again, because it could be true that from there we will start some sort of a lower high and therefore some sort of a downtrend. But I'll be back with another update on that in the future to update you on that. But for now, this is my take on Shiba. So I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Take care today and bye.